So over here is my bedroom, and I really wanted to create a simple, cozy nook in the apartment. It's the hardest wall in my apartment where I probably can never drill holes in. However, that's the perfect place for a bed in the language of feng shui. Your bed should never face the door, and it should always be on the most solid wall in your apartment. So I had to really think about the way I wanted to feel when all the lights are on this apartment, and how safe I needed to feel in the corner of this room. My light fixture is an IKEA lantern. It's a paper disposable one, and I needed it to feel more like warm, unique lighting. So I decided to bring in the scarf that I wasn't using that often and really add color and warmth to this fixture, and it became one of my best DIYs.
Here is the bedroom. The bed is the biggest piece of furniture in the room, so I really like that I have it pretty much elevated with this giant wingback headboard, and it is from All Modern. And then as far as the bedding, I really just wanted it to feel like nice hotel bedding, and to me that means a giant white comforter and a quilt, and then I also have this weighted blanket at the foot of my bed from Barabee. Again, we have no overhead lighting for me in this bedroom, but that was somewhat okay because I feel like I try to make my bed my zen zone. But I did want a table lamp here for when I read at night, and I also have a floor lamp. What I love about this nightstand is that it has this drawer, but I also have some hidden storage here. It didn't come with the basket, but I added this basket from H&M Home, and it really just gives me more space to throw in scarves, gloves, hats, any other winter accessories that I need. This here is the only designated closet space that I have in the apartment, so that's why I had to bring in this dresser as well as the cabinet. This is probably the biggest splurge in the apartment, and I really wanted to have it because it's pretty much an heirloom piece that will travel with me wherever I go. I like to say that it's very versatile, so it can be a pantry, it can be a closet, it can be whatever I want it to be. When you open it up, you can see I keep these little cubbies here that are from IKEA. These have sweaters, dresses, purses. So I have these shoe organization bins that I got as a set of 12 from Amazon, and I really love them because they're super easy to open. I also love how they're clear from the front, so you can really see what shoes are where, and because they're all the same, it just really looks cohesive and organized. In here, I keep most of my shirts as well as my jeans and pants. There are pretty much 3 separate sections to this closet. The taller boots I kept in their boxes because they were a lot easier to stack up. And then these shorter boots, I wanted them on display, and it makes it really easy for me to see what I have. And then I had really only this one rod when I moved in, so that's where I put all of my shirts. And then I got this nifty thing also from Amazon, which kind of creates a second layer and adds this second rod. So this is where I was able to hang all of my pants, jeans, skirts, and it just made this closet so much more spacious for me.
This is our entire bedroom area. We have our side tables here on either side. It's mostly books and undergarments, things like that. Right here we have what I got Chandler for a wedding gift.
When your bed takes up a quarter of your apartment, it's really important to make your bed in the morning. It really does make the space feel so much cleaner when you make it. So under our bed though, we have more storage, like we said, and we have our socks, some of our underwear under there.
The bed skirt really helps mask a lot of those things as well, which is a fairly new addition that we're really excited about.
The bed was the first thing that I bought, and it was a twin. And a lot of people who live in small spaces don't think you can have a twin, but I'm here to tell you you can. A twin is good, it's your friend. You only sleep on one half of the bed anyway.
The bedroom, we knew right away that that is the way we wanted to design the space, having the bed face one wall versus putting it in a corner. We both hate making a bed when it's all pushed into a corner. So we knew we wanted a warm color, but not too much that it would take up a lot of our energy as well. And so I looked to my inspiration pillow and I saw this beautiful warm yellow, almost like a mustard yellow. So we went to Home Depot. Thankfully we chose the right one, and we just painted the whole wall, and it just adds like a happy warm color to the room. So it's really nice, and when we do fall asleep we don't stare at the wall. And the bookshelves, we've always had that combo where it's like the TV with the bookshelf. Like everywhere I go I do that, and we wanted to add a mirror to the room. The mirror reflects the window, and so it almost feels like it's an additional source of light.